surface, put a stick. Who cares? Clamp her on there.
Trail to Diamond D.
Yeah. We'll go run that. Find somebody you can flex.
Metalcloak skin.
Start with this pen.
That looks like a great size.
Well, start with any smaller, I'm gonna break it.
Oh my god, we went through like 6 drill bits yesterday of that size. He kept drilling it, bang, it just break.
Break it on, man. I was like, dude. Like, man, what the hell? Crescent or whatever the hell it is.
Yeah, sometimes there's cheap stores like that, the little mom and pop shops, they sell really good tools.
True Value is a good place, man. I like True Value.
Like one of the best bits I've got, it's a special hex. It's like a 14 or 15 mil hex. It's for my diff covers.
You got yours out or no?
I didn't bring it up far enough. It's the Castle 800 kV. It's a X-Max motor. Party. Amy's recording. Right?
Hey man, you got an Overbuilt custom shirt on. Do you work for Overbuilt?
You got Metalcloak. You got $8 grand worth of Metalcloak armor. Do you work for Metalcloak?
Actually, $3 grand. Okay, $3 grand.
Well, if you buy their lift kit, you don't have
And $33. Okay. Actually, no, that was with the drag link too. So 3.
Look at that big chungus glob right here. I picked off the foam for you. That's what's all on the ground over here.
Picked up what?
The foam. Remember you said it's like tar?
Oh yeah. Pick that off, dude.
I already got it.
Yeah, those rib nuts. We had to take them off at the other side.
Oh, it looks beautiful. Big white dot. Well, that's the frame. Dude, can't believe you let me down to do this. What you doing? Huh?
But it's the Ace engineering rack for the backside. Then this attaches to these, and it's just like a floating kind of basket.
So basically,
Or did you drill it out to the right size? Do you know how to use that thing? Make sure you're pushing up and make sure the flat part is all the way flush.
here, you want to squeeze down here with me? Can you reach from up there?
Not really. Give me a second. I'll do the uppers. Is it all the way up in there?
It is now.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on, ready?
You go to the rim. I can't pull.
Alright. Ready?
I did.
These things aren't heavier than they look.
Oh god, you went to 50, 60 pounds. Easy. Alright. Oh, we gotta undo your front fender.
And then fit, and then drill, and then fit, and then drill, and then fit, and then drill.
And then you drill and fit it 4 or 5 times and then it fits perfectly.
Sure this is it?
Yep.
Figured out what he was saying. He was right. I ain't gonna lie, he was right. I don't tell that to anybody. Nowadays I see someone lifting up something heavy,
Just so you're an idiot.
I tell them, I'm like, dude, man, there ain't no sense in that, man. You know, get somebody to help you. You know.